Hello friends. In this video you will find the answer to the following questions. Whether it is necessary to remove the leaves on tomatoes, how to do it correctly, when to start, and I will also tell you when and how to remove suckers on tomatoes, and on which tomatoes it is strictly prohibited. First of all, I want to answer the question, why are the leaves of tomatoes removed? The leaves on tomatoes stimulate the growth and development of the bush. After pruning the leaves, the nutrients go to the point of growth. And also, if the leaves are not removed at all, then your tomatoes will be very much neglected. Overgrown. Dampness and shade will gather under the foliage, and this is a great place for various insects to settle there, as well as for the development of diseases, such as late blight. Therefore, by properly removing the leaves on tomatoes, we stimulate growth and preventatively protect tomatoes from insects and diseases. Now I'll tell you when to start pruning leaves and how many of them need to be cut at a time. When 10 leaves have formed on your bush, it means it's time to do pruning. You can cut 2 or 3 leaves at a time. The lowest ones are removed. Also, along with the sheets, you need to remove the suckers. But not all tomatoes have suckers removed, but only tall ones that are often grown in a greenhouse. In the open ground, stunted ones are grown on suckers, and additional crop is grown. Therefore, by removing them, you reduce the yield of the bush by about 50%. Now, as for pruning, you can use garden shears with sharp spouts. But so you can easily damage or pierce tomatoes, I bought myself on AliExpress such a small hand pruner. You will never damage the trunk with them and will also leave a small stump. And it is better to remove suckers with a thumbnail or with such a tool, which I also purchased there. The sucker is not completely removed, but we leave a small stump. This is necessary so that new suckers do not start growing from this node. Because if you just break it down, then the growth of a new one will be activated very quickly. I also want to note that pruning occurs on tall tomatoes that grow in a greenhouse. On short tomatoes, suckers cannot be removed, as I said before. Also, on low-growing tomatoes, we remove only the bottom 3 leaves and then we do not remove any more leaves. And on tall ones, we continue to remove foliage as we grow. Namely, once every 2 weeks, 2 lower leaves. And remember that after pruning, at least 5 leaves should remain on your tall tomato bush. And it is desirable that there are 8 of them so the bush will not experience stress and will grow and develop normally. That's actually all you should know before you start removing the leaves. If you still have any questions, ask them in the comments, I will be happy to answer. If the information from the video was useful, please like it. Don't forget to share the video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you.